Hi again, folks. You join me venturing deep into the temple of lost kids. And I have found the treasure. It's the ultimate prize. I'm just about to open it now, so stand by. Oh my God! What have I got here? Look at this. Could there be more treasure and prize and riches beyond the dreams of avarice in this very box? Stand by. Stand by to be amazed. Of course, the ancients don't make it easy for you to get in. No, sir. The original and greatest models from Matchbox. My God, what do we have here? This is incredible. Check it out. 1, 2, 3. 3 Spitfires. My God. Oh boy, check that out. 1973. The original and greatest. 3 of those. Holy cow. Oh, hey, fuck wolf, 190. Look at this. Original box. Oh, 1973. Incredible. We got a couple of Strike Masters. Check out that. Now that is what you call a stash. The Strike Master. This is the strike version of the Jet Provost. What a beauty. What a beauty. And then we got a Hawker Hurricane. Hawker Hurricane 2C. Yeah. It's a cannon equipped Hurricane. Yes. Yeah. Wonderful artworks. And then we've got a Mark 1 dually bird. And this is an original Mark 1 box, because the difference is it opens like that. Only the very earliest versions did this, with the markings on the side of the box. Tips from how to paint it at either end. Unbelievable. And a genuine original stand. Matchbox stand. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at those. And a purple range. Purple instructions. Beautiful. This is very, very old. One of the earliest. One of the earliest of its time. All the instructions are in purple. Fabulous. Hot hints on the back. A little bit of history about the plane on the front. Original decals. Wings and props and stuff. Amazing piece of history. Absolutely incredible. That box is what really makes a difference. Box. Oh boy! Now that was a find. It really was. I wonder what else we might find. If we try real hard, we might find some other treasures in here. Yeah. Like this. How about this baby? What do you suppose we're going to find in here? Oh boy! Oh, it's like a dream. Oh, more, many more. Oh my lord. Where do we begin? Another hurricane to see. But this time, this one is in an original top lifted box. Oh, look at that. Look at that, look at that. Check it out. Nice. And then a Spitfire again, but this time with the top lifter box, Mark 1 box. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh, beautiful purple range. Instructions. Oh, and beautifully wrapped inside as well. Awesome. Look at that. Not many parts to this one, obviously. 2 sprues. Beautifully done. That's awesome. Oh, that's in mint condition. That looks brand new. And then we got a Fucker Wolf 190 again. But this one is also in a Mark 1 box. Top lifted box, the original and best. From the very start of 1973, before the dawn of time. What is not to like about this? Look at that beauty. Oh, too good. Struck gold here. Struck gold. Look at this, look at this. American F4U Corsair, and again it's in an original box. Oh, too good, too good, too good. This is like a dream. Hawk. Hawk, a Sidley hawk. Beautiful. Fantastic. It's £2.29. Here's this. 1975. Then what we got? Oh yeah, we got a couple of before he walks. Check it out. Yeah. Beautiful, 2 of those. Tempest. Oh, look, it's weight in gold, isn't it beautiful? Look at this beauty. Oh yeah. And it's got the later radial engine version, the different engine, different intakes. Looks completely different, like the Sea Fury. Very similar to the Sea Fury. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful. Then we've got a Thunderbolt. Thunderbolt. Yes. Razorback. What is not to like? Beautiful. Superb, 2 of those. And then, getting into the armour. A Panzer Mark II. This is complete with the diorama as well. I think there's a bit of trouble zooming today. Diorama, look at that. 2 of those. This is like the gift that just keeps on giving. Because there's more. What about a Buccaneer? Blackburn Buccaneer Royal Air Force version. Absolutely storming. Oh. Very, very nice. Very nice indeed. There's more. There's more. Oh, a Jaguar. Beautiful. Seppacat Jaguar. Oh. $1975. Yeah. Wow. And then we're not done yet. There's another Dooley Bird. Another Dooley Bird Mustang. With another top opening box, another Mark 1. Oh, unreal. Fantastic. And then last but not least, we got a couple of T-34 tanks from the Soviet Union. Beautiful. Oh, absolutely amazing. Two of those. Fabulous. Then we have a later one. Yeah, different artwork. No window. Window, no window. Okay. That's just incredible. And that's what you call a real beautiful mustache. Let's put this in the hands of top men. Well, folks, that was quite exciting. One more. How about a Hank 111? I think I'm going to build this one, you know. It's the Legion Condor one again. This one's got a little bit of a bashed box and parts are on a bit loose, so as I've got a few others, have that one built. Anyway, you really did share in some amazing archaeological finds there. So, tune in next week, folks, and we'll have Indiana Jones in the kingdom of the crystal clear glue. Till then, adios, partners.